This birdhouse is going to be great! This birdhouse is going to be great! Need to find the perfect twig. Piece by piece. Piece by piece. Perfect! Now just wait. It's working! They love it! So sweet!
Hello, friends.
More for you. We're all friends. No, Randy, no. Such a good day. That tickles. Sleep well. Home, sweet home.
Hello, Pig. I'm here to help. Oh, Monkey. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here.
What needs planting today, Pig?
Right here, we need to plant some carrots.
Carrots it is. Let's get to work. I hope they sprout soon. They will. Just watch. Look. The first one. I told you they would grow. Yes, they certainly did. Little friend, isn't that wonderful? They're growing.
That's a stubborn one right there, isn't it? Not for me. Gotcha. We make a great team, don't we, big fella?
Shoot! Get away from our carrots! grow, Farmer Pig. They're enormous.
Well, now that is a satisfying sight. The biggest carrots in the whole county. They are ready, Pig. Time to harvest.
Look how big it is. We actually got it out.
Yes, we did, partner. That'll make a fine stew.
All the dirt off, little friend. Look at all these carrots. We did a great job. These carrots are delicious. Here you go, friends. And fresh carrots for everyone. Goodbye, Pig. Thank you for having me.
Goodbye, Monkey. Come back soon. Well, goodbye now. See you again real soon. Hello there. Good to see you.
Hey, guys. I have a great idea for our farm. We can build a new fish pond here.
That sounds like a wonderful plan, Monkey.
Ooh, I can help dig. Bear, can you carry the larger stones? Pig, you gather the smaller ones. I'll get the wood.
These stones are a little heavy, but I will get the job done.
These small stones will be perfect for the base. All right. Just the right pieces of wood will give the pond wall that perfect finish. Keep digging, everyone. We're almost done with digging. Dig, dig, dig. Almost there, friends. Keep digging, everyone, hey. We're almost done with digging. Dig, dig, dig.
Almost there, friends.
Easy does it, Bear. We want the wall to be strong.
Hey. Let's fill the pond with water, slowly and carefully.
The small rocks and plants will give the fish something to swim around.
The fish are going to love this place.
And a few fish to call this pond home. These little fish are adorable. The fish love it here. Look at the home we've... Hip, hip, hooray! Hooray, hooray! We did it!
All right, time to clean up. Yes, let's put everything away. What a beautiful pond. The fish love it. I'm glad we built this together.
Good morning. Good morning. Morning. That's a big one. Oh dear, what am I going to do?
What's all the commotion, Pinky? Look! I think I found the crystal caves.
Is everything all right here? We're just trying to figure out what this is. It's super shiny.
What's going on? What's going on? Why all the fuss? This big rock is blocking the path, and I can't move it by myself.
Don't worry, Monkey. We'll help you. Count me in, count me in. We can do this.
All right, let's work together.
Heave ho!
Heave ho! Push! Keep pushing! Keep pushing!
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it together! Thank you all so much. I couldn't have done it without you. Anytime, Monkey. That's what friends are for. We're always here to help, dear. We're always here to help, dear. Now where shall we go? Let's go on an adventure.
Look! What's that over there?
I wonder what it could be. Oh, how pretty! What a wonderful day with wonderful friends! Almost ready for the big day! I brought the cake!
The games are ready!
Welcome, everyone!
Delicious! My turn!
They are having so much fun! Open it! Wow! A new hat! Thank you! Once upon a time,
Why don't scientists trust atoms?
Because they make up everything!
what a wonderful day! Thank you all for the best birthday ever! night, Clucky. What a beautiful day to tend to the beetroot. These leaves look a little wilted.
I need to do something about it.
Drink up, little ones. You'll feel much better after a good watering. These pesky weeds won't bother my beetroots anymore.
I need to protect them from the strong sun, or they will get burned. Look at this beauty! All my hard work paid off!
Such a perfect beetroot. I'm so proud.
Time to put this with the rest of the harvest.
They still need a lot more work, but they are growing well.
Hey! Get away from my beets roots! The soil is getting a bit dry. I'll need to water them again soon.
This fence needs to be strong to protect my beetroots. Good night, little beetroots. See you tomorrow. This'll give all the beetroots a nice, even drink.
Hello there, little ladybug. Are you helping me keep the pests away? Gotta make sure this one shines.
The little ones will be much happier with some shade at midday.
All this hard work was absolutely worth it. Drink up, everyone. Nice, cool water for you. Is that a tiny bite mark? I better take a closer look. These look so festive now, ready for the market. Oh dear, look at this fence. It's completely broken, and I don't know how to fix it.
Don't worry, my friend.
Oh dear, the fence is broken, and the cows are getting out. This batch should be enough for the fire pit. Oh, no.
Hold it steady, lad. Just a few more hits should do it. All right, I got it.
Wow, that looks great. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Look at that, all done. Stronger than ever. Yep, good job, little fella.
Oh, thank you, Monkey. You're a true friend. Hey, everyone. Have you ever seen a place this amazing? I heard they have the best bananas right over there.
Hello there, neighbors. Lovely day for a snack, isn't it?
That was awesome! Yeah, we make a great team.
Look what I found, Pig. The best apple in the whole orchard.
It sure is a peaceful day for it, little buddy. If we tie this vine here, we can swing right across the munchkin patch.
Oh, goody. But won't we get sticky? Goodbye, out here today, isn't it? Perfect weather for the Harvest Festival.
It sure is. I can't wait for the apple pie. What a beautiful day for a fruit party!
Thanks for helping me, Squirrel. This is gonna be the best party ever! Everything looks delicious!
Welcome, ducks. Glad you could make it.
It's an honor to have you here, Mr. Bear.
Come on, everyone, dig in. This mango is amazing. You really seem to be enjoying that banana, little guy. Best party ever. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. All right, team, dig those heels in. Ready, pull!
Come on, team! We can do this! Yeah!
And that is how it's due, folks. We are the champions.
Is it here? Or maybe here?
Oh, stop! My sides hurt. That was the funniest thing I've seen all week.
So many wonderful things to see.
Ooh, those bananas look delicious! Perfect bananas!
Hello, Mr. Pig. What do you think of these bananas? Check these out. They look quite appealing. They do look quite appealing.
How about we share one?
That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you.
Delicious! Who is that fluffy friend? Monkey. This is our friend Sheep. Welcome to the farm market, Monkey. Look, there's a cow. Let's go say hello. Cow, this is our new friend, Monkey. It's a pleasure to meet you, Cow. Monkey. We're glad to have you here. This market is amazing. Look at all these fresh edibles. These carrots look so crunchy. These are the best carrots I've ever tasted. These crabs are so beautiful. This is incredible.
Let's find something to remember this day.
This little toy is perfect. Good Bay Market. Until next time. What a wonderful day.
It's good to be home.
A perfect day with friends.